Good morning students. Let's continue. In previous link I had completed with adverbs, right? हमने page number क्या complete किया है 57. Now come to the same page. What you have? Punctuations. Under punctuation we are going to learn about comma. Do you know what is the sign of the comma? Just make a dot and a slight curve. This is comma. ये क्या है? Comma है, right? Now read the following sentence from the lesson. He settled down with the steel tray full of little packets of red, orange, yellow, green and white colors. Students, now notice the use of comma. You can see here it is highlighted. ये सब देख सकते हो ना अपने books में. We know that comma is used to separate 3 or more words in a list. So what do we know? That comma is used for separating 3 or more items. Okay, 3 or more words. For example, we had bread, cheese, jam and butter for breakfast. How many words are there? Bread, cheese, jam, butter. There are 4 things. So we have used comma for separating the words. Now read the following sentence and notice the use of comma. Okay, अभी ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पर. There. You can see your comma. There. We have finished. Akhil said. You can see comma is used. So, comma is also used after introductory words. Where comma is used? After introductory words. It means, see here. Now what Akhil and Mumtaz was doing? They were making rangoli. So, what did Akhil said? There. Just he had pointed out at the rangoli. So, here the word there is an introductory word. There. We have finished, said Akhil. Now come to the next. Look at the example. Hello. How are you doing? So, the word hello is the introductory word. So, what is given here? Comma. Yes, I would like some more water, please. Now, before saying the sentence, what the word is given? Yes. So, yes is introductory words. Students, let's see some more examples. Just turn your page to page number 58. Turn karo apna page. On page number 58, you can see some more examples. So, what it is said, rewrite this sentence with missing commas. What we have to give? We have to give the missing commas. So, very firstly, what we will do? We will copy down the same sentence. See, first letter capital and at the end full stop. If question is there, at the end question mark. So, just copy down the sentence. I want to visit Germany, Italy, Australia and Singapore. तो हम पहले क्या करेंगे? Same sentence copy down करेंगे. I want to visit visit Germany. Look, G is capital. Copy down the same. Germany. Germany. Italy, I capital. Italy, Italy and and Singapore, Singapore. And at the end क्या लगाना है आपको? Full stop. Okay. Now look at the sentence. Germany, Italy, Australia and Singapore. There are more than 2 objects. है कि नहीं? 2 or 3. There are many words. More than 3. If there are only 2, we use and. Now there are 3 to 4 words. Students, if you notice, we have missed with Australia. Okay. Let's rewrite our sentence again. Okay students, I had erased it. मैंने ये सब कुछ रब कर दिया है because we have missed with our Australia. है कि नहीं? हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं लिखा था. Write it down. A capital. इटाली के बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया. AUSTRALIA. Australia and the last is Singapore. There is no space, so we'll be writing down SINGAPORE and at the end full stop. Okay. Now same sentence we have copied down. Germany 1, Italy 2, Australia 3 and Singapore 4. There are more than 3 objects, 3 words. So just write I want to visit Germany. Here comma will come, comma Italy, comma Australia, comma and Singapore. So we have used comma for separating the words. Understood? So very firstly what we will be doing? We will just copy down the same sentence. Okay. क्या करना है आपको, सेम सेंटेंस कॉपी करना है, राइट। नंबर बी, यस वी एक्सपेक्ट टू अटेंड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट कॉपी डाउन द सेंटेंस फास्ट। सेम सेंटेंस आपको ऊपर का नीचे लिखना है, ओके। जस्ट कॉपी डाउन, रीड एंड राइट। Okay students, let's continue. What we have done, we have copied down the same sentence. You can see there is no comma at all. हमने क्या किया है, ऊपर का ही सेम सेंटेंस नीचे कॉपी कर लिया है. In the first sentence we have given the commas, right? Because there are more than 3 words, है कि नहीं? There are more than 3 countries name. Germany, Italy, Australia and Singapore. So for separating them we have used the commas in between. Now look at the second sentence. Yes, we expect to attend the wedding this summer. Same हमने sentence copy किया है, right? Yes, we expect to attend the wedding this summer. At then full stop, because full stop is given, right? हमारे sentence में full stop है, so what we will do? We will add full stop. Now where should comma come? Is there any 3 or more words which should be separated? 3 or more words है जिन्हें separate करना है? No. Here we have to use the introductory पार्ट, है कि नहीं? इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट को क्या करना है, सेपरेट करना है. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट? यस. सो वेयर कॉमा विल कम आफ्टर यस? यस, वी एक्सपेक्ट टू अटेंड द वेडिंग दिस समर. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. माय फेवरेट कलर्स आर रेड, येलो, ब्लू एंड पिंक. सो देर आर मेनी कलर्स नेम, राइट? सो वी आर गोइंग टू सेपरेट दिस. माय, रिमेंबर M capital. Why? Because it is the first letter of the sentence. My favorite colors are red, comma, yellow, comma, blue and pink. Or at the end, full stop. Next, sorry, I will not be able to help you. So, what should be differentiated? Sorry. Sorry को क्या करना है, separate करना है. So, give comma after sorry. Just make a dot here and give a curve. Sorry, I will not be able to help you, and at the end full stop. Now look at this sentence. Wait, can we do this some other time? Students, if you notice, there is a question mark. Why? Because it is of question type. So wait, can we do this some other time? Copy the same, copy the question mark also, and where the comma should come? After wait. WAIT, wait. उसके बाद comma आएगा. Next, no, I don't like this dress. Where should be the comma? After no. Very good. I have to buy cheese, bread, sugar and salt. Again there are more objects. Yes or no? More words. So, copy down the same. I have to buy cheese. The first item is separated. We have given the comma. Bread. Again comma. Sugar and salt. Okay students, in this way you have to complete your page number 58. And same आप कहाँ copy करने वाले हो? Grammar side. English CW book, grammar side. Okay. Write the topic name, comma. What is the topic name? Comma. Copy down the question A, answer. Leave one line. Question B, answer. Leave one line. Question C, answer. Okay, in this way you have to complete this examples in your English CW book grammar side. Okay, bye bye.